Hi guys, it's me, Nasa Nat. Welcome to my channel, Glam Slam Nails. If you're new, my name's Nat. I do nails, reviews, hauls, everything to do with nails. And today is my Sparkle Supply VIP box, but also the box that I'm going to be giving away to that's predominantly Sparkle Supply stuff that is going to America. So we'll do that one first. So it's in a Betsy box because I've just, as I said, I've got some Betsy stuff. So it's just some little lollipops in there. I have put a nail nails file in because again to try them, you know, because it's just if I can get some nail stuff before this goes, I will do. And this came with the Temu thing, so as I've got two, I put one in this. But I've got these stickers, Sparkle Supply. This is the Flexi nail tape, and it's a neon. I've got some Sweetest Feelings. I think it's not bats. It's butterflies. That's butterflies on that one. This one, which is Onyx. This one, which is Oil Slick. This one, which is Bat Party. And this one, which is Peony. And then we've got these glitters, which are, I don't like, oh, True, that's True. This one's Lilac Slushy. I've got that, it's beautiful. Well, I've got all these actually. Candyland, Wild, and Beating Heart. And then we've got some matte stars. Oh, I do like these. Look at them. Can't believe them. Yeah. These dot mix, which is again is a matte. I've got some pink foil in there. Yeah, that's pink leaf foil. I've got this butterfly mix. Like so. This is iridescent multi. I'm trying to go through it quick because I don't really want the person who's getting it to see it. Well, they can, you know. These are Sparkle Supply, but I forgot the name. Gorgeous, look at them. And then I'm going to do another one again in a couple of months. And then this final one is Petrol Opulence. Let's look at that. That is beautiful. So that's what's going in this. And like I say, and I have picked a winner. And the winner is... So this is going to go to Nana Ange. I'm going to give this one to Nana Ange. And then, yeah, this one will go to Nana Ange. And yeah, that's that. That's going to go to her. So I'll have to grab her details and then send this off to America. Because it's very hard for people in America to get any of the Sparkle stuff. Because it's quite expensive trying to post it out there. So, yeah. So that's why I'm doing it. Now we'll go on to the VIP box. Oh, by the way, I haven't even done this. This is all Lorraine's socials. This is them. Sparkle Supply UK on Facebook, Sparkle Supply UK on TikTok, and Sparkle Supply UK on Instagram. And that's the website, sparklesupply.co.uk. I just love sparkles, it's fantastic. So that's it. And these VIP boxes, I think they're going to be going up actually. I'm not sure. So, but now at the moment, they're showing $12.99. And then you've got your postage and, you know, if you've used a code on top of that. Because you can use NFM15 for 15% off. But we'll see what we've got in this one. Oh, look. Another lollipop. She puts the lollipops in. Thank you again for your order. I've enclosed a little sweetie gift as a thank you. Please check the ingredient. Yeah, because you've got to be sure you can eat it. Sparkle Supply. Right, okay. And so, yeah, thank you. Right, there you go. So, let's have a look what we got this. Right, let's have a look. So, I'll try and do it in order this time, in order that it's on the list. So, the first thing is this Fever Glitter. Oh, isn't that lovely? What's that doing around there? It should be around here. Fever Glitter. That's nice, isn't it? It's really pretty, that. So, that's Fever Glitter. Then the next thing is this. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at this. It's called Craxium. Look at that. It's beautiful, that, in it. That'll make a gorgeous, like, sandy summer set, won't it? Beautiful. The next thing is this. I do like these two together. This is called Constance. They go very well, though, don't they? Got a very good vibe then. That's Constance. And then... Right, this must be one of these. Well, I'll take this one out first. We've got Sea Gem Glitter. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. And then Iridescent Strands. Now I've seen this. It's beautiful. These aren't available. These are only available a month after as well. Look at them. Look at them. Beautiful. And the next one, which I think is in the bag a bit. This is called Rasmic Luster Dust. Look at that. You just know that's going to really pop on it. You can see it's already on my fingers, look. It's all over. Look at that. I'll have to wipe that off. So, that's my VIP box for this this month. And like I say, these are usually available a month later, and use code NFM15 for 15% off. Every penny helps, doesn't it? And yeah, and like I say, don't put anything in the comments who the winner is. Yeah, hopefully she'll watch the. I'll give her a couple of weeks. If Ange doesn't contact me in a couple of weeks, I'll draw it again for somebody else in America. So I'll give her a week to contact me, and then yeah, and hopefully I'll probably just message it to, so she can come and see for herself. Anyway, so do you know what I mean? But yeah, and like I say, I'll be doing another one again probably in a couple more weeks. We'll see. And again, it'll go out to America, to the nail ladies out there. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for clicking on the video. I hope you're all doing well. Don't forget to subscribe. Come back again, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.